tank driving simulator, known as the SJC-L6P, remains invaluable despite the Leopard tank's retirement in Germany. While no longer in German service, Leopards are operational in various countries worldwide, underscoring the SJC-L6P's continued relevance. This simulator caters to tank drivers, offering customizable settings such as weather and time of day for heightened realism. Mounted on a 6 degree of freedom platform, it boasts NATO standard communication tools. Instructors, stationed at the control center, oversee driver actions and conduct training sessions concurrently on multiple SJC-L6Ps. Meanwhile, additional simulators allow crew members to hone skills simultaneously. This sophisticated technology ensures comprehensive training, enhancing readiness for tank operators across diverse operational contexts. The InVeris FATS 100MIL system, a cutting-edge tool for military personnel to refine their shooting and weapons handling skills. This advanced system accommodates up to 15 users simultaneously and features a diverse arsenal of 60 patented, wireless weapons. Instructors can closely monitor details like trigger manipulation and grip pressure, intervening to demonstrate correct techniques when needed. With photorealistic landscapes and over 9,000 3D models, the simulator offers immersive training experiences. While preset scenarios are available, users can also create custom ones to tailor training to specific needs. Advanced analytics, powered by machine learning, simplify data interpretation for instructors, ensuring efficient analysis without overwhelming indicators and reports. The InVeris FATS 100MIL system is an indispensable asset for enhancing combat readiness and proficiency among military personnel. Boeing introduced a pre-production model of the MQ-25 last year, with engineers now in a race against time to finalize it, aiming for service within 2 years. This advanced aerial refueling system is designed to carry 6,800 kilograms of fuel over a range of 926 kilometers. Employing a hose cone system for refueling, it prioritizes compactness, crucial for its deck-based operations. The MQ-25's size is further optimized by its cutting-edge equipment beyond its primary refueling function. This unmanned aerial vehicle showcases capabilities in navigation and communication with ground vehicles. Boeing's MQ-25 represents a significant leap in extending the operational reach and efficiency of naval aviation forces. Ziyan Shadow S3, a compact helicopter-style patrol drone designed for versatile deployment. Easily packable into a backpack when disassembled, it swiftly assembles to take flight at speeds of up to 100 km per hour, boasting a 100-minute operational window on a single charge. Its robust design handles winds of up to 17 meters per second and copes well with side gusts thanks to IP55 protection, making it suitable for operation in rain and dust. Ideal for professionals like oil workers and rescuers navigating challenging weather conditions, it comes complete with a searchlight and computer vision-enabled camera, offering enhanced functionalities straight out of the box. The Shadow S3 is a reliable asset for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Introducing the BIZON UV, a robust unmanned ground vehicle UGV engineered for diverse military applications. Capable of hauling for tons of cargo, it features autopilots and an obstacle detection module, alongside a UAV landing pad. This versatile vehicle excels in tasks like border control and firefighting, powered by two 20-kilowatt electric motors with a footprint akin to a small car. Operators can remotely control it from up to 30 kilometers away on a single charge, covering the same distance in up to 8 hours. Interestingly, BIZON targets both civilian and military markets, suggesting broad potential applications. Could such adaptable technology significantly enhance military operations? Introducing the Kastinger brass catcher, a versatile military technology gadget engineered to optimize firearm functionality. Unlike conventional designs, it offers unique features tailored to various firearm models. One variant, crafted with advanced 3D printing technology, incorporates materials akin to riot shields with a replaceable fabric section for adaptability. Another model, designed explicitly for the Heckler & Koch 416 rifle, boasts a spacious capacity of up to 30 casings and features a convenient zipper mechanism for swift ejection. Notably, it also mitigates gas emissions during firing. These catchers serve dual purposes, facilitating cleanup and safeguarding spent cartridges from potential misuse. Together, they exemplify innovation in firearm accessories, enhancing both performance and security in military and law enforcement operations. The Smash 3000 Fire Control System, an impressive tool for enhancing marksmanship and accuracy. When attached to small arms, it enables precise targeting of drones, even at distances of 100 meters, ensuring first-shot success for larger targets. The same level of precision is achievable from 250 meters away. Its user-friendly interface, featuring a 640 by 480 pixel resolution screen, ensures usability at any time of day. Despite adding 740 grams to the weapon's weight, the Smash 3000 offers more than mere aiming assistance. It can also track targets, even amidst crowds or buildings, further enhancing its versatility and effectiveness in combat scenarios. The Panther KF51, a main battle tank that garnered attention at the Satori Arms exhibition with its final version. Manufactured by Rheinmetall, this tank offers remarkable features. Firstly, it boasts a 130mm caliber smoothbore gun, delivering a 40% increase in striking power compared to the Leopard 2. Additionally, it comes equipped with kamikaze drones capable of carrying warheads up to 3.5 kilograms, posing a threat at a distance of 40 kilometers, powered by a diesel engine. It offers a highway range of 500 kilometers. The tank features 3 levels of defense: passive, active, and reactive, ensuring comprehensive protection. Moreover, it's equipped with a transparent armor system, allowing tank crew to survey their surroundings via cameras. Behold the marvel, the Xaver L80, a technological marvel empowering to peer through walls and detect living objects at distances exceeding 100 meters. Despite its weight of 19.5 kilograms, it's manageable with just one operator. Operation is streamlined with data displayed on a 10-inch tablet, and activation is as simple as pushing a button. With the Xaver L80, users can monitor both static and moving targets simultaneously, calculate distances, and record video data with a memory capacity lasting 12 hours. Its versatility extends to urban and rural environments, optimizing reconnaissance and surveillance operations. The Xaver LR80 stands as a formidable asset for military and law enforcement, enhancing situational awareness and operational effectiveness. The ACES 5 creators showcased their prowess by securing a coveted U.S. Air Force contract. Now, their innovation will find its place in aircraft like the F-15 Eagle, the B-1B Lancer, the A-10 Thunderbolt, and more. But what exactly is ACES 5? It's a next-generation ejection seat, boasting modularity for swift reinstallation, a mere 25-minute task. With an enhanced catapult system, it reduces the risk of spinal injury to a mere 1%. This seat remains effective up to 18.3 kilometers above sea level and can support up to 111 kilograms. This versatility is crucial, as it not only accommodates the pilot, but also an emergency rescue kit, underscoring its importance in ensuring aircrew safety during high-stakes missions. During their deployment in Afghanistan, German soldiers encountered a pressing need: a weapon system capable of engaging targets up to 2 kilometers away. This necessity spurred a program within the Bundeswehr to develop such a solution. In 2019, the MBDA Enforcer emerged victorious from the program, offering a versatile missile system designed to target structures and lightly armored threats. Notably, it features an option to detonate the missile mid-air, effectively neutralizing enemies hiding behind cover. Remarkably, the missile and its transport and launch container weigh a mere 9 kilograms. Its success has led to the announcement of a second version, the Enforcer Air, tailored for mounting on helicopters and UAVs. Developed almost 25 years ago, the Trophy Active Protection System has continually evolved, akin to fine wine, with ongoing upgrades instead of cellar storage. Recent advancements, like the 2021 edition of Advanced Electronic Optical Systems for All-Round Vision, further enhance its capabilities. During testing, Trophy showcased an interception rate surpassing 90%, a testament to its effectiveness. Beyond defense, this system can even estimate the enemy's firing position, adding a tactical advantage. TROPHY's evolution signifies a continuous commitment to bolstering armored vehicle protection, ensuring heightened survivability and mission effectiveness on modern battlefields. The Polaris Hobit D1 Pro. Not a tale from the Lord of the Rings, but a series of anti-drone equipment offering advanced capabilities. In its D1 Pro version, it boasts a drone detector capable of spotting drones within a kilometer range, categorizing them and displaying their approximate routes. Once data is gathered, the jammer, P1 Pro, steps in. Weighing a mere 4 kilograms, it creates a disruption bubble spanning up to 2 kilometers. Customizable with frequency ranges, including popular options like 900 MHz and 2.4 GHz. Together, the D1 and P1 form a compact and efficient duo, enabling users to track and intercept drones effortlessly, even without prior experience. What links the Turkish and South African foreign ministries, along with the US and Czech defense ministries? They all rely on MIRA safety products, boasting a reputation for reliability. Let's delve into the CM8M, a full-face tactical respirator retailing at $325. Offering protection against a spectrum of threats from toxic industrial chemicals to nuclear agents, it's a vital asset. For instance, it guards against mustard gas for approximately 30 hours. With a 20-year shelf life and NATO standard 40mm cartridges, it ensures longevity and compatibility. Moreover, the CM8M integrates seamlessly with telescopic sights, thermal imaging, and night vision devices, enhancing operational convenience. Notably, it accommodates single cartridge use on either side, emphasizing adaptability and versatility. The BladeTech Tek-Mount Mini, a versatile system consisting of only two essential components, a disc and a clip. Despite its simplicity, its applications are bound only by the user's imagination. The concept is straightforward: attach knife sheaths, magazines, pouches, and more with utmost convenience. The clip effortlessly fastens to belts, backpacks, vests, and various gear, while the disc enables angular adjustments in a 360 angle at 15 increments, no tools required. This compact yet robust mounting solution offers flexibility and adaptability for tactical equipment customization. Whether securing additional ammunition, flashlights, or communication devices, the Tek-Mount Mini enhances operational effectiveness and convenience for military and law enforcement personnel in diverse environments. Continuing advancements in mine detection systems include the Ziyan scanner. Operable at speeds of 15 km per hour, it efficiently detects homemade mines, providing a 3D image if required, thereby enhancing battlefield safety and situational awareness for troops.